Well, even the teacher can get it wrong. Do you see my mistake? It still came out awful pretty. Can you see it? Row 4. If you notice, all I said was to match this cream colored block with this block up here. I didn't match the rest of it. I have it on upside down. So it doesn't make the line I was hoping it would make, but it still turned out really pretty. How about you? Did you make the same mistake? It doesn't matter. I'm not taking it out. Don't you take it out either. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. Only God is perfect. Okay. See, I'm not stressing out about it. If I, being the instructor, don't stress out about it, you shouldn't either. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. That's not a seam rip in the fence right there. So that is the end of lesson 5. How did you do? Did you do better than the instructor today? I'll see you tomorrow in lesson 6, where we will attach the backing and get it ready, and we will do quilt in the ditch tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. God bless.